Factor the expression below completely. Which of the following is one of the factors? X squared minus 81. So this is a difference of squares. So when you are factoring x squared minus a squared, that anytime you're subtracting two perfect squares, that will always factor to x plus a, x minus a. So in this case, 81 is 9 squared. So this is going to factor to x minus 9, x plus 9. Okay. And we can FOIL it just to double check. So x times x is x squared. X times positive 9 is plus 9x. X times negative 9 is minus 9x. And negative 9 times positive 9 is negative 81. So those terms cancel because they're positive and negative, the same size, positive and negative, and I get x squared minus 81. Okay, so x plus 9, x minus 9 are my two factors, so that would be a, and x plus 9 is one of my factors.